Once your pocket holes are drilled, assembling the frames becomes the next hurdle in any shop. Our face frame table gives you the ability to assemble your frames more quickly and with greater accuracy than ever before. This ultimately saves you time, and as everybody knows, time equals money, and that's something that small and large shops alike can appreciate. Let's take a closer look. This table features a rugged one-piece steel frame with a large 4-foot by 8-foot work surface that accommodates most frame sizes. The top is made from 1 1/8 inch thick melamine that won't sag or bow. Assembly of this table couldn't be simpler. The table surface ships as one piece. Just simply attach the two legs with 4 bolts, slide on the clamping arm, attach to the air, and you're ready to go. We recommend a minimum of 90 pounds of air pressure to operate this table, and all the fittings are rated up to 150 psi. Each leg features leveling feet that can be adjusted to compensate for any variations that might occur in your shop floor. The squaring fence down the left-hand side of the table allows you to reference your frames easily and is adjustable for square. The fence also quickly retracts out of the way if you're building a frame longer than 8 foot. 4 high-quality clamping cylinders are attached to the clamping arm that slides effortlessly down the table on high-quality roller bearings. Each cylinder glides on rollers and can be slid up and down the arm with ease. Each clamping cylinder can be actuated individually with a toggle switch located directly on the cylinder, or all cylinders can be actuated at one time using the master switch located at the bottom of the clamping arm. An air regulator located on the top of the clamping arm controls the amount of air pressure supplied to the optional screw gun. We find that it works best if you set the pressure low enough so the gun will stall out when the screw is fully seated. Let's take a look at this table in action to create a standard face frame. The first step is to place the rail and stile against the bottom and squaring fences. To help simplify and speed the process of assembly, we recommend cutting specifically sized templates that help you hold the rails in position to create perfectly sized drawer and door openings. The templates shown here are 21 inches and 5 inches and will be saved for the next time we build this specific frame size. Next, we'll load the self-tapping screws into the pre-drilled pocket holes. The special self-tapping tip of the screw actually drills its own hole as it is driven, eliminating the need to drill a pilot hole. We recommend that you use a fine thread screw in hardwoods and a coarse thread screw in softer materials such as pine and poplar. Now slide the clamping arm into place directly over the joint line and throw all 3 cylinders at one time with the master switch located on the bottom of the clamping arm. Next, start driving the screws. As I mentioned earlier, an air regulator on top of the clamping arm adjusts the amount of air pressure fed to the optional screw gun. We recommend adjusting the pressure to the point that the screw will firmly seat without stripping out. The amount of air pressure needed may vary depending on the hardness of the material being assembled. Finally, move the clamping arm and repeat the process to finish the frame. Knock out the templates and the result is an extremely strong and quickly assembled frame that requires minimal sanding. Simple assembly, rugged design, and innovative features. The Kreg framing table